Every video on this channel, the script, the voice, even the thumbnails, has been made using exactly the kind of tools I'm about to show you. Today, 7 things AI can do that most people, even people already using it daily, have no idea exist yet. And I'm giving you actual tool names and actual prices, because that's the part everyone leaves out. Number 2 might genuinely change how you think about what real footage even means. Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Finance Mentor. Today, we're leaving the world of finance, budgeting or subscriptions, and I'm pulling back the curtain on how content itself gets made now, because some of this genuinely surprised me when I started digging into it. Quick note before we start, this is a massive, fast-moving space, so stay tuned because this type of content will be revisited as new tools emerge. Plus, there's a whole ocean of AI tools out there, new ones launching constantly. What I'm showing you today are just the ones I've actually used or researched myself, not the only options. Think of this as a starting point, not the definitive list. And I'm going to give you real prices along the way too, because there's a pattern I see constantly. Someone gets excited about what AI can do, jumps in expecting it to be free or close to it, and then hits a paywall 3 steps in. Better to know the real cost up front. Let's get into it. Number 1, you can record a rough, rambling voice memo of an idea, and AI will turn it into a structured script, complete with timed captions. This is genuinely how a lot of my own scripts start. I'll ramble into my phone for 2 minutes about a video idea, upload the recording, and ask AI to clean up the transcript, organize it into sections, and generate matching captions. Tools to try. ChatGPT or Claude can handle the transcript cleanup and scripting part directly. Both have solid free tiers, so you can test this at zero cost before paying anything. For the automatic captions specifically, Descript is the go-to. Free plan gives you limited transcription minutes, paid plans start around $12-24 per month depending on how much you're recording monthly. The value here isn't that AI is creative, it's that it removes the blank page problem. Number 2, and this is the one that genuinely surprised me, you can train a likeness and voice model on a short sample of yourself, and generate new clips of you saying entirely new lines, without filming again. Tools to try. HeyGen is the current leader here. Free plan gives you 3 videos a month with a watermark, paid plans start at $29 per month for unlimited avatar videos. And I'm going to tell you exactly why I put that asterisk there, because I learned this one the hard way. I signed up, paid for the subscription, and burned through my entire monthly credit allowance in a single day. One day, I hadn't even finished the video I was making. The frustration was honestly through the roof. I budgeted for a month of use and got a fraction of that. Here's the lesson. Don't touch a credit-based AI tool until you actually understand what a typical piece of content is going to cost you in credits, and most tools out there aren't going to tell you until it's too late, that is, until you've run out of credits. The subscription price on the homepage is not the real number. The real number is price divided by how far your credits actually stretch, and that part's rarely obvious until you're already in it. Another option is to check if the tool has a planning or chatting option, where you discuss with the AI what you want to create and make sure you understands the outcome. That way, you won't burn all your credit allowance in useless content. Synthesia is the other major option, starting around $18 per month with tighter monthly time caps. Worth comparing both before you commit to either. Quick heads up, same as I'd give with any tool on this list. If a video's presented as if it's really you talking live, most platforms, including YouTube, now expect you to disclose when it's actually a generated likeness. Not a huge deal, just something to build into your workflow from the start rather than bolt on later. Number 3. Feeding your script, or key phrases from it, into a video AI and getting back on brand visuals timed to match your narration, instead of digging through stock footage sites. Tools to try. Runway is the standard here. Free tier gets you a small one-time batch of credits to test it out. Paid plans start around $12 per month billed annually for basic access, jumping to $28-76 per month if you're generating a high volume of clips regularly. InVideo AI is a cheaper, faster alternative if you want a full rough cut video from a single prompt rather than individual clips. plans generally run lower than runways, closer to $20-30 per month range. This is the actual origin of a lot of the B-roll you've seen in my last few videos. Number 4. Photograph a real object once, and generate photorealistic variations in different colors, packaging, or lifestyle scenes. Tools to try. Photoroom and Recraft both handle this well and have usable free tiers for occasional use. Paid plans on either tend to sit in the $10 to $20 per month range for regular use. This isn't really a video content trick, it's more of a small business one, but worth knowing if you ever branch into merchandise. Number 5. Upload a long PDF, transcript, or notes, and AI extracts the structure and turns it into an animated walkthrough with icons, flowcharts, and voiceover. Tools to try. Gamma is a strong option here, turning documents into visual presentations quickly, free tier available, paid plans starting around $10 to $20 per month. Google's Notebook LM is free and does a genuinely good job turning documents into structured audio, visual summaries, worth trying before paying for anything else on this one. This is a fast way to turn research into an actual explainer video structure instead of starting from a blank script. Number 6. Write one linear script, and AI can branch it into multiple endings and generate the extra dialogue for each path. Tools to try. This one's genuinely more experimental. There isn't a single dominant, polished platform for it the way there is for the other 6 yet. Worth searching for interactive video tools directly when you're ready to try it, since this corner of the space is moving fast and whatever's best today may not be in 6 months. I'd treat this one as worth exploring, rather than here's exactly where to go. Educational and finance content actually fits this format well. Imagine a video where the viewer picks their own financial scenario partway through. Number 7. Damaged old photos, silent home videos, even a half-finished sketch. AI can colorize, stabilize, upscale, add sound, and plausibly fill in missing parts. Tools to try. Remini is the most well-known for photo restoration and upscaling specifically, free tier with limited results, paid plans generally under $10 per month. Topaz Photo Eye is a one-time purchase rather than a subscription, usually in the $80-200 range depending on the version, which can actually work out cheaper long-term if you'll use it regularly. Worth remembering, plausibly fill in, means invented, not necessarily accurate. Great for an old family photo, more questionable for anything where the missing information actually matters. So that's 7, with real tools and real starting prices. Descript for voice-to-script, HeyGen or Synthesia for AI likeness, Runway or InVideo for B-roll, Photoroom or Recraft for product mockups, Gamma or Notebook LM for document explainers, interactive video tools worth researching directly, and Remini or Topaz for restoration. And if you take one thing from this video, let it be what I learned the expensive way with HeyGen. Don't subscribe to any credit-based AI tool until you know roughly how many credits your actual content is going to burn through. The homepage price is not the real price. Almost everything on this list has a free tier worth testing before you spend $1. Start there. See if you actually use it enough to justify the paid plan, and remember this is just where I'd start looking, not the only place to look. It's a big ocean out there and none of these companies are paying me for publicity. Let me know in the comments which one you're trying first, and if this was useful, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.